In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to paste without formatting in just about 5 minutes. This invaluable skill will ensure that the content you're bringing from one source into another will seamlessly blend in, without carrying over any unwanted styles that might clash with your current document's format. Whether you're working on a report, drafting an email, or compiling data, this technique will surely enhance your productivity and maintain the consistency of your work. Let's get started with the very first step. You'll need to head over to Google Vids. Google Vids is a platform offered by Google Workspace, and it's a go-to place for storing, sharing, and even editing videos online. Not just videos though, as you'll see, it's also quite handy for a range of other file types. Once you're there, the next step is to click on Sign In. You'll see this button usually in the top right corner of the screen. This is your gateway to accessing the vast array of features Google Vids has to offer. Clicking on it will prompt you to proceed with logging into your Google account. This brings us to choosing your Google account. If you're like many of us, you might have more than one Google account, perhaps one for personal use and another for work or school. Here you'll select the account that you intend to work with. This is crucial as it determines the workspace and files you'll have access to. Once signed in, our next destination is the Edit section. This is where the magic begins. The Edit section in Google Vids, much like in Google Docs, slides or sheets, is your control room for content manipulation. It allows you to modify, format, and yes, paste content in various ways. In the Edit menu, you'll look for the Paste Without Formatting option. This is the feature we're focusing on today. What it does is quite straightforward but immensely powerful. It strips any text you're pasting into your document of all its previous formatting. This means no odd fonts, no unexpected sizes, and no contrasting colors, just the clean, unformatted text that you can style as you wish, matching the surrounding content of your document. But wait, there's a pro tip I want to share with you. For those who love shortcuts, there's a faster way to accomplish this task without navigating through menus. Simply use the shortcut key, Ctrl plus Shift plus V on Windows, or Command plus Shift plus V on a Mac. This instantly pastes your copied content without its original formatting, saving you precious time and clicks. And that's all there is to it. Whether you're curating content from various sources, or you simply want to ensure uniformity in your documents, pasting without formatting is a skill you'll find yourself using over and over again. With the steps we've covered today, you're well on your way to becoming more efficient and productive in your digital endeavors. Remember, it's the small tips and tricks like these that can significantly streamline your workflow, allowing you more time to focus on the content that matters most. Thank you for joining me today, and make sure to practice this simple yet effective technique. See you in the next video, where we'll explore more tips and tools to help you work smarter, not harder.